Hi, I am so happy to see you. You are joining me for a quick tour of the Revolution Motherhood video platform. I am going to take you on a little detailed tour to show you all of the features, share my mom hacks, and help you get the most out of your Revolution Motherhood membership. So come on over with me. The first thing you're going to see when you log in is the browse page, where you will start with the featured carousel. This changes frequently. It shows you all of the new videos that are coming out, new workouts, new programs, anything that's front and center for the month. The next thing you'll see as you scroll down is a continued panel. So this is where the videos you've most recently completed or were in the middle of doing, mom life happens, we get interrupted. Your latest videos will be right here in this panel. You can pick up right where you left off. The next thing you're going to see is our new and welcome panel. This is where if you're ever interested in diving a little bit deeper into the science of Revolution Motherhood, kind of my personal story, you can come here and play around. You can also send your friends to this panel. All of these videos are available to everybody, whether or not they're a member. So it's a great way to just acquaint yourself with the origin story and the science and the methodology of Revolution Motherhood. The next thing you're going to see is our prenatal to postnatal panels. And that just goes in order sequentially from prenatal to fourth trimester to our postnatal programming phases 1, 2, 3, all the way to Revive, which is our 40 and over strength training program. Now, these are a lot of videos. So what I want you to know is that you can filter. You do not have to just scroll through and hope for the best every time you want to do a workout. You can go right up here, choose your filter feature where you can choose for time. You can choose for props or body weight only. You can even choose for what kind of focus you want, whether you want abs, or upper body, or glutes, or injury recovery. That is all listed right here. You can also choose only soft foam rolling and restorative. So this is a place where you can go pick and choose what you need day to day. Once you have the videos that you love and want and you are sure you want to be able to do on repeat, if you go up to the upper right-hand corner, you're going to see 3 little dots. You can click on that and click Add to My List. You have a list of favorites then. It's your own personalized library of your favorite videos that you don't have to search for. You can go and grab and do on repeat as frequently or as infrequently as you want. That is the lay of the land of the Revolution Motherhood platform. The other thing to note is that you have access to downloading the Revolution Motherhood app. Now that you are a member, you can go to whatever your favorite device is, go to the App Store and just download it and log in with your login credentials. You will not be charged again. It is a membership that you already have. But now you can put that app on your phone, on your television, on your tablet, and you can take our videos with you, on the road with you, get it done wherever you can and how often you can.